Hi, I'm Nick McDaniel with Results Real Estate Solutions.
And I'm Megan Medlin.
And I'm David Ferris.
We're here at 14079 Market Street in downtown Moulton. Let's go inside and check it out.
So when you enter this house, one of the first things you'll notice is the beautiful hardwood floors, the original floors from the 1930s. Then you'll look up and see the built-in surround sound and just look forward to your entertainment that you'll have here. You'll also notice the ambiance created by the fireplace on the wall. And with that in mind, let's go look at the dining room.
Imagine bringing your family in on a Sunday afternoon and enjoying a nice lunch in this lovely dining room. You have your original hardwood floors. You've got an extra closet for storage. Now let's go check out the master. Imagine after a long day at work, coming into this spacious master bedroom with an ensuite attached to it. Let's go check out the other amenities.
So we're just in here in the kitchen putting some tea on the stove. Take a look. There's tons of storage space. There's a custom built-in china cabinet. We've got the built-in appliances with the solid surface cooktop.
Okay, I'm sitting here in this very spacious bedroom. Beautiful area, large enough for both queen-size bed, love seat, all the furniture you'd want. Great place. Let's go check out the bathroom.
Check out the third bedroom. It's got built-in bookshelves. You can use this as a library. You can use it as a study, a workout room. There's so many options for this wonderful room. The laundry room's even attached, so it's very convenient and away from the living space. Now let's go check out the backyard.
All right, when you step outside in the back, you'll notice a great deck. You'll look to your left, see a brand new HVAC unit just a little bit over, fire pit where you can relax in front of an evening fire, 3-car garage. Let's go check out the garage right now.
You're going to want to come see this cute home. It's at 14079 Market Street in downtown Moulton. It backs up to Lawrence County High School, and it's a great price point. It's going to sell quickly, so give us a call today to schedule your appointment. The number is 256-410-1740. Also, make sure you check out our Facebook page or visit the link below.
Come in and check the third, start over.
Yeah. No, they look plastic, yeah.
They do look plastic.
I mean, they look real, but...
And action.
Okay, when you enter this house, you will see very modern, contemporary feel as well. You'll notice things like
From the top.
this has everything you'd really want. You can sit at this couch and watch the TV. You can, once again, I have no idea what I'm doing, so.
Beautiful, large dining area. You've got your custom hardwood floors. Start over. Original is what I meant, yeah. Storage. Let's go check out the master.
You had it right. That's the scene. Action.
Imagine yourself with custom in this enormous enjoying a nice lunch for storage and the custom dadgummit.
Wonderful place to relax on an afternoon.
Thank you for watching.
Or check out our Facebook page. We get results. I can't get over the rooster and the duck.
Zoom in on Nick here. Go ahead, laugh it out. I'm just gonna add a bunch of rooster noises right now. Right now, it's gonna be all the rooster noises.
Check out our Facebook page or check out the link.
We got the school.
All right.
You almost had it.
This beautiful home goes on.
Right when you started, man. It got me now that you mentioned it.
Sure.
All right.
To Lawrence County High School